In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The deadly floods in Nuristan leave dozens dead, injured and missing. 293 damaged and inoperable military vehicles repaired in Khus over the past 3 months. And Barracan inspections flyover project in Kabul reaches 50% completion. Welcome to Urooj Daily News Package. It's Tuesday, the 6th of Safar Muzaffar 1448, the 30th of Sartan 1405, and the 21st of July 2026. The news details. Devastating flash floods swept through Paron, the capital of Nuristan province, yesterday, causing widespread human and material losses. Based on the Hafiz Mohammed Yusuf Hamed, the spokesperson for National Disaster Preparedness Authority, preliminary reports indicate that dozens of people were killed and around 80 were injured and more than 100 others remain missing following the floods. He added that search and rescue operations are still underway, noting that the figures are preliminary and the number of casualties may increase as rescue efforts continue. The Minister of Interior Affairs states that the personnel at the Vehicle Maintenance Workshop of Khus Provincial Police Command have repaired and restored 293 damaged and inoperable military vehicles during the past 3 months. According to the ministry, the restored vehicles include a Ford Ranger and a Humvee, which have since been returned to the relevant security units for operational use and to support the ongoing security requirements. The news continuation. Afghanistan State Oil and Gas Company expresses it has continued supplying liquefied petroleum gas (LPG) at affordable prices through its distribution of outlets in several provinces in an effort to maintain market stability and meet public demand. The company stated that the LPG is currently being sold at 66 Afghani per kilogram in Kabul and Parvan, 67 Afghani in Badakhshan, 64 Afghani in Balkh, and 60 Afghani in Herat provinces. It added that the efforts are ongoing to ensure the timely supply of LPG to communities across the country. And ultimately, the Office of the Deputy Prime Minister for Economic Affairs expresses the construction of Barracan intersection flyover in Kabul has reached 50% completion, while work on the project's underpass is now 85% complete. According to the office, the project is being funded entirely by the government at a cost of 1.5 billion Afghanis and expect the news conclusion. Blessing time. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.